Welcome back in accordance to another video. In today's video is another YouTube collab, so if you want to see me create this look and hear the theme, stay tuned. So this collab is called #womenwhocollab, and we post every Thursday, and we do different themes, or we do women who pick our makeup, but we stick with themes this month. So we're doing National Creamsicle Day, so I just did the colors on my eyes, and that's what I did, just to make it a little bit easy. video for today, and just in case you want to recreate it, you just do an orange look. I did everything orange with my blush, my highlighter, my lips are like a little bit of orange color, and that's what I did. So let me know what you think of this eye look. I will link everybody down below that's joining this collab, their to their channel and their link to their videos, and go check them out, show them some love. If I haven't got everybody's link yet, click the hashtag that's in my title called hashtag womenwhocollab, and you'll see recent videos like that. So now let's talk about what makeup I used. Okay, let's talk about the palette first. So I'm using this palette that I got for my birthday from Alma. I'll link her channel down below in the channel checkout section. It's the Tin Tart Cosmetics Cloudy with a Chance of Sprinkles. Looks like this. I just decided to pick a palette that I haven't used in a while. And I just use, here's what the color story looks like. I really love it. I just used this orange line. So I started with the dark orange at the bottom for my crease shade. And then to help blend that shade out, I used this shade right here. And then to help blend out that shade, I used the top shade right here. Then I took this light, like white shade on the lid before I did the shimmer. And I was going to use shimmers in this palette, but when I played with it before, the shimmers are okay. The dark shimmers didn't work as good, so I wanted to do another one. So what I did is I took the BH Cosmetics highlighting palette. It's the Spotlight highlighting palette. And I used this white shimmer up here for the lid. I really love using highlighters on the lid as well, so I have something to use it with, you know. Then I went under my eyes with the dark orange shade with a little bit of a mixture of the light orange right here, and then I helped blend that out with the lightest orange at the top. Then for my inner corner and under my brow bone highlight, I use this shimmer right here, which is so pretty. Like, the light shimmers work really good. It's just the darker shimmers that don't really seem like they are really blinding. So I really like that shimmer though. So that's all I did for the eyes and all I did for this palette. I will link this palette down below if you want to get it for yourself. I think you can get it off of Amazon. I'll also have it linked in my Amazon storefront. If you want to shop through that, that is an affiliate link. And I will link everything else I used on my face down below. There just links to get there, no affiliate links or anything. If I do have affiliate link, it'll be down below in the bottom with the Linktree link. So click that Linktree link and you should get to all my links that way. Some of the affiliate links are just affiliate links, and some of them have codes beside them, so you can save some money on your order, and then I get a small commission. And the ones that just have the affiliate link, I get a small commission from. So if you do want to help us support the channel out, use those links. I really appreciate it. So let's get on with my eyes. I use the Kiss Foscara Lash Extensions kit because I really wanted to use these again. Here's what it looks like. So I did the medium and short today on my lashes. So what you do is you put the bond on first, which is this mascara wand. Then there's a seal, and then you pick your extensions, whatever you want, with the tweezers, and then you use the seal to seal them in place. So they're really easy to use. I already filmed using them, so I did it off camera. I just decided to do medium instead of long because the long ones I felt like when I did use them on the outer part, they were too long for my eye shape. So I stick with the medium and the short today. And then also in this kit, they come with a remover and they're like an overnight thing if you do want to wear them, like continue to wear them, you know, not take them off. They last, I think they said, 14-day wear, but I don't do that. I usually take them off at the end of the day, but that's up to you if you want to wear them. And then for the bottom lashes, I use the Gigi Bear mascara that I got from Temu. If I can find it somewhere else, I'll link it. I think I can find this mascara on Amazon, so if you do want to get it for yourself, you can. Then for my lips, I use the Give Me Lala Sin Nudes liquid lipstick. Really love this nude shade. I was like, this is the perfect nude for me. I really like it. It's not too pink because I notice when I have pink undertone nudes, I feel like I look like a ghost on my lips. So this one's really good because it's like orange undertones, and I really love doing it when I do an orange look. Then the last thing I use is the e.l.f. Cosmetics Power Grip Dewy Setting Spray, because I wanted like a little bit of a dewy look on my face because, ice cream, So I'd use this. I really love this stuff. It's really good. Really recommend it. And the primer as well. I love those comments. So that's all the makeup I used today. Let me know what you think of my makeup look for today. Let me know your thoughts on it. And now let's get on with what I'm wearing today. So the first thing I wore is this orange hair bow, as well as this sweet clip, because ice creamsicles are sweet. And then I'm just wearing this meow top that I got from Cat Lady Box because of the color. I think it's the perfect creamsicle color to me, so I decided to wear that. I love Cat Lady Box's shirts. They're comfortable, and they wash really good, and I really love them, and the designs are really cute. This one just says meow, and there's a little cat on it. So that's what I'm wearing today. I can't link anything because I don't remember where this clip came from. They're just orange hair bows, and then the shirt came from Cat Lady Box. So if you do want to get that subscription, just check out my channel. I have the Cat Lady Box videos and all the links for those videos in that video. So that's all I'm wearing today, and that is it for today's video. So if you got this far in the video and enjoyed it so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment down below and let me know what your favorite ice cream is. Mine is mint chocolate chip, but I'd love to know your favorite flavor of ice cream. To be shouted in the next video uploaded on my channel. If you want to see me shout in the previous video up on my channel, check out the channel's checkout section and show them some love. There'll be YouTubers as well as subscribers. I started doing this on my channel to say thank you to all the unicorns who do watch my videos in full. It really means the world to me, and I really do appreciate it. And it's a way for unicorns to notice your alls in the family. So again, if you do want to be shout out, please answer that question. If you don't want to answer the question, just say you're watching full, and you'll also be shouted in the next video also uploaded on my channel. So I forgot to mention that I will link the playlist for YouTube collabs just in case you want to watch past these collabs or any other collabs on my channel. You could check out that playlist. It is the biggest playlist on my channel, so if you do want to help out watch time hours, please watch that video playlist in full. It really means the world to me because I'm trying to get monetized this year, and that's one of my goals, as well as hitting 2K. So if you do want to help out my channel, please do. I really do appreciate it. Also, this is an open collab. If you do want to join in, please DM me over on Instagram so I can add you to the Instagram group. We switch off between doing Women Who Pick Our Colors, which, if you don't know, what happens is you get paired up with somebody, you send the partner 2 palettes, and then that partner picks the palette and the 5 shades you use for that week. We haven't done that one in a while because we did that for a while now, and I just like do it a little bit differently. And then if we're not doing that type of content, we do themes like national holidays in general, or anything we can think of, and we have such a fun time. And sometimes we do colors or like flowers or anything like that. So those are all the things that we usually do for this collab. Also, I forgot to mention I'm not the host of this collab. I'm just taking over for the host until she comes back. The host of this collab is Mary Makeup and More too, but I don't know when she's coming back, so I took over until she does. But we have a blast each week. So again, if you do want to be joined in on this, please DM me over there on Instagram. All you have to do is, if you're a part of the group, make sure you check out the list, which is pinned in the chat, and do your makeup look. And then on that day or the day before, send your picture and your link. I usually send the picture the day before and the link on the day of when the video is uploaded. That's what I like to do, but some people don't do that. They just do it when it's unlisted and stuff like that. But it's up to you. And then once you post, make sure you do put the hashtag womenwhocollab in your title and tag everybody that's in the collab. And if you don't get everybody's list for the collab, it'll be on my channel because I always keep up to that. And I would also recommend you send your picture because I usually do a collage for the group if they all join in. So I think that's all the information for this collab. So I hope y'all do enjoy seeing this each week. Again, we post anytime on Wednesdays. And I think that's it for today. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you thought of my creamsicle inspired makeup look for today. Let me know your thoughts on it. I like doing makeup looks, but I decided since a couple days I've been doing like more creative looks, I decided to do a simple one for today so y'all have something to watch and maybe create yourself. I also forgot to mention the video, if you do recreate my pictures. Now, if you do recreate any of my makeup looks, please tag me in your content so I can go check it out, show it some love, and shout you out. I like to see if y'all get inspired by me, so please do share it with me. Also, if I ever get inspired by somebody with my looks, I always shout them out because, credit's where credit's due, so that's what I like to do. But, unicorns, if you do recreate my looks, please tag me. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe, join the Unicorn family, hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload. And unicorns, always be yourself. Bye!